friends, let us learn how to write and speak Hindi alphabet. Ooh. So first, let us see some words which begin with Hindi alphabet Oo. O for upahar means gift. U for ullu means owl. U for upgrah means satellite. U for udna means fly. Now let us learn how to write Hindi alphabet U. U is the easiest letters of all Hindi alphabets. You just need number 3 and a sleeping line. So first, draw number 3 in your 3-lined notebook or sheet, just like that. And then draw a sleeping line on the top. We have our Hindi alphabet U. Let's revise once again. U for upahar means gift. U for ullu means owl. U for upgrah means satellite. U for udna means fly. So friends, today we learned how to write Hindi alphabet U. For more updates or more letters, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye everyone.